Okay, so for the next step of the problem, we're going to do a u substitution on the 2t plus 10. So if u is equal to 2t plus 10, du is equal to 2 dt. So this is now the integral of 3 times u to the 1/2 times the 1/2 du. And then when we integrate this, we're going to end up with a 3/2. And then when we integrate the u to the 1/2 by the power rule, we're going to have a 3/2 divided by a 3/2. And those 3/2 are going to cancel out nicely. And the result of our integration is going to just be the 2t plus 10 to the 3/2 power. So we're going to have a 2t plus 10 to the 1/2 on the left-hand side times x is equal to a 2t plus 10 to the 3/2 power plus c on the right side. Once again, we divide to isolate the x of t. Then using the rules of exponents, we're going to have x of t, and our 3/2 minus 1/2 just makes a 2t plus 10 to the first power. And then our constant c is going to be times the 2t plus 10 to the negative 1/2 power. Now our initial condition was x of 0 equals 40. So that's going to be equal to 2 times 0 plus 10 plus c times 2 times 0 plus 10 to the negative 1/2. That's going to simplify down to just 40 is equal to 10 plus c times 10 to the negative 1/2 power. So that's 30 is equal to c times 10 to the negative 1/2. And then multiplying both sides by 10 to the positive 1/2, we're going to get c is equal to 30 times 10 to the half, or simply c is equal to 30 times the square root of 10. So our x of t solution is going to be 2t plus 10 plus the constant 30 square root 10 times a 2t plus 10 to the negative 1/2 power. So the next thing to do is now remember that this x of t is the pounds of sugar in the tank at time t. So the next thing to do is now figure out when the tank is actually full. And to do that, all we have to do is go down. Remember that the tank has 100 gallons capacity. So our tank's volume starts off as 20 and then goes up by 4 gallons per minute. So that's times 4t. So 80 is equal to 4t. So t is equal to 20 minutes. So our tank is full at 40 minutes of time. We now calculate x of this 20. That's 2 times 20 plus 10 plus 30 square root 10 times 2 times 20 plus 10 to the negative 1/2 power. So that's equal to 2 times 20 is 40 plus 10 is 50. So that's 50 plus 30 square root 10 times a 50 to the negative 1/2 power. We put that all into our calculator. We're going to have 50 to the power negative 1 divided by 2. Looks like we end up with 63.4. So this is approximately 63.4 pounds of sugar. So when our tank is full at 20 minutes, we've got 63.4 pounds of sugar in the tank. And the problem is finished.